Why does everyone keep talking about data insights? Isn't data just numbers and charts?
Well, data is much more than numbers. It's like trying to read a book without understanding the language. Data insights are what give those numbers meaning.
Oh, so it's about understanding the story behind the data?
Exactly. Imagine you own a store. You collect a lot of data like sales, customer preferences, inventory levels, etc. But without insights, you wouldn't know what's driving your business.
But how do insights actually help? Let's say I have this sales graph. What does it tell me?
Good question. Insights tell you why your sales are going up or down. Maybe a certain product is trending, or perhaps your marketing campaign is driving more customers.
Wow, so insights connect the dots between different parts of my business?
Exactly. Insights help you make informed decisions. Instead of guessing, you'll know which products to promote or when to restock inventory.
And can insights help me to predict the future too?
You got it. With data insights, you can forecast trends, prepare for demand, and even prevent problems before they happen.
So, we have got all this data. But what's next? How do we turn this into insights?
Huh, you're talking about the data analytics process? It's like baking a cake. You need to follow steps to get the perfect result.
Interesting. What's the first step?
First, define your goal. What question are you trying to answer with the data? Without a clear goal, you might end up with a mess.
Okay, so start by asking the right question. Got it? What's next?
Next is data collection. Gather all the data you need from various sources like sales, customer feedback, social media, etc.
I have got the data. Now what?
Now comes the tricky part. It's data cleaning. This is where you clean up any errors, remove duplicates, and fill in missing data.
Huh? Cleaning up data? Just like cleaning my room. No one likes it, but it has to be done.
Exactly. Once your data is clean, it's time for data analysis. This is where the magic happens. You apply algorithms, run calculations, and look for patterns.
Oh, this is where we uncover all the hidden trends, right?
Yes, but don't stop there. The next step is data visualization. You need to present those findings in a way that others can easily understand, like charts, graphs, dashboards, the works.
So, visualization makes our insights more digestible and actionable for decision makers.
Exactly. And finally, the last step, actionable insights. After analyzing and visualizing the data, it's time to make decisions and act on your findings. Now, look at the summary of steps. Define the goal, collect data, clean data, analyze data, visualize data, and act on insights.
Got it. The data analytics process is like solving a mystery. Collect clues, analyze them, and use what you find to take action.
You nailed it. It's a continuous process, and the better you get at it, the more successful your business becomes.
There's so much going on in this dashboard. Are all data analytics the same?
Not exactly. There are four main types of data analytics, each answering a different question. Let me show you.
What's the first one? Descriptive analytics?
Great place to start. Descriptive analytics tells you what happened. It's like looking at a rear view mirror. It gives you a summary of past data like sales numbers, customer demographics, or website traffic.
So, descriptive analytics is like reporting the facts. Like what already happened?
Exactly. Next one is diagnostic analytics. This one answers why something happened. It digs deeper to find out the causes behind the numbers.
Oh, I get it. Diagnostic analytics helps us figure out the why behind the data. Like why sales dropped last month.
Yes, it's all about uncovering the reasons behind the trends.
What's this? Predictive analytics. Sounds like magic.
Yes, it's all about uncovering the reasons. Well, it's not magic, but it can predict the future. Predictive analytics uses past data to forecast what might happen next, like predicting future sales or customer behavior behind the trends.
Who? So it's like looking into the future based on what's already happened?
Exactly. Predictive analytics helps businesses plan ahead by spotting trends before they happen.
Oh, I see. Prescriptive analytics doesn't just tell you the future, it gives you recommendations on how to act.
Exactly. It's all about optimizing decisions to get the best possible outcome.
So, descriptive tells me what happened, diagnostic tells me why, predictive tells me what's going to happen, and prescriptive tells me what to do about it.
You have got it. Understanding these four types of analytics helps businesses make smarter, faster decisions at every stage.
There's so much data, but I have no idea how to manage all of this. How do people even analyze it all?
Don't worry, that's where data analytics tools come in. They are like superheroes that help you make sense of all the chaos.
Superheroes? Tell me more. What kind of tools are we talking about?
Yes, the tools are Excel, SQL, Python, R, Power BI, Tableau.
Looks like I have got a whole team of superheroes ready to help me conquer data analytics.
You bet. With the right tools, you can analyze, visualize, and gain insights from any data. No challenge is too big.
I want to get into data analytics, but have no idea where to start. It feels so overwhelming.
Relax. Starting with data analytics is like learning to ride a bike. You start with the basics, and soon you will be speeding through data like a pro.
Alright, I'm ready. What's the first step?
Step 1 is understanding what data is. Start by learning the difference between structured data like spreadsheets and unstructured data like social media posts.
So, I need to know what kind of data I'm working with. What's next?
Now comes step 2. Learn the tools. Start with tools like Excel for basic analysis. Once you're comfortable, you can move on to SQL for databases and maybe even Python or R for more advanced stuff.
So, learn the tools to handle the data. But how do I actually analyze it?
That's step 3. Understand key concepts. Learn the basics of statistics like averages, trends, and correlations. This will help you spot patterns in the data.
So, I should get my hands dirty and practice analyzing real data to build my skills.
You got it. And don't forget step 5. Visualize your findings. Use charts, graphs, or dashboards to turn raw data into insights that others can easily understand.
Look at that. Visualizing the data really makes it easier to see the big picture.
Exactly. And finally, step 6. Keep learning and stay curious. Data analytics is always evolving, so keep exploring new tools, methods, and techniques.
I'll keep learning and stay on top of the latest trends in data analytics. This is going to be fun.
That's the spirit. With curiosity and practice, you'll become a data analytics expert in no time.